Multibagger jewellery stock pieces jeweler share price raised on allotment of 6.85 crore shares. 6 details the successful allotment of 6.85 crore equity shares by PC Jeweler has increased its paid-up capital impacting ownership stakes. The company reported a 37% revenue growth for Q3 financial year 2026 and aims for debt-free status. The stock has shown impressive long-term returns despite recent pressures. Multibagger jewellery stock pieces jewellery rose 1% on Friday, January 23 after the jewellery retailer informed stock exchange that it has successfully completed the allotment of 6.85 crore equity share through the conversion of fully convertible warrant. The move marked a significant step in the company's capital raising the journey and has resulted in a corresponding increase in its paid-up equity shares capital. The company's board approved the allotment through a circular on January 22, 2026. This development followed earlier disclosure made on September 30, 2024 and October 11, 2024 when the company had announced the preparational allotment of fully convertible warrant to investors belonging to both promoter group and non-promoter public category. Capital structure expanded after warrant conversion. The latest allotment involved the conversion of 68,55,000 warrants into 6,85,60 equity shares by 6 non-promoter public category allotments through this conversion. PC Jeweler in investor paying 42.15% warrant which represents 75% of the issue's price. Each newly allotted equity share carries a face value of 1% and rank pari passu with existing equity share, meaning the new share enjoy the same right to already held by shareholder. The conversion figure were adjusted to reflect the company's earlier subdivision of equity share, under which the face value was split from 10 per share to 1 per share, effective December 16, 2024. Following the allotment, PC Jeweler paid up equity share capital increase from 73 to 84,94855, comprising